Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. It's Open House Thursday. Every Thursday, we take you through a state-of-the-art manufactured home. If you love seeing new trendy homes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We hope you enjoyed this edition to Open House Thursday on Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more open houses. We also appreciate all the love you could give by hitting that like button. We hope to see you next week.